Hey friends, and happy day. I hope you're having a fabulous day. I hope you're learning so many good things that you can use in your future school and classroom. I would like to talk about your upcoming FBA data collection assignment that I know is in Module 4. Now, typically, I would like to talk about three things really quick. Generally, an FBA, a functional behavioral assessment, comes before a BIP or a behavior intervention plan, which we're learning all those different components. But I just want to break it down really simple because as a teacher, I have completed so many of these, and each school handles it differently. So point number one I would like to make is when you are at a school, you'll more than likely have a team. It's important to find out who will be supporting you in this process. And number two, that leads me to the next question or point. If you're observing a student now, or you have a class of your own in the future, or whatever the case scenario is, what is your school using? So right now, if you're observing, ask your cooperating teacher, what tools do they use to collect behaviors and to write behavior intervention plans? So my point in doing this video today is I would like to break this assignment down for you so that it's really easy to understand, because the point is for you to learn how to make it real and applicable to you and your future students or current students. So I like to use ABC charts. Now, what is an ABC chart? So antecedent, behavior, and consequence. That in order spells ABC. I know, right? So first you're looking for what occurred before a behavior. I'm going to kind of walk you through a quick example just to show you what this looks like. So for example, Miss Smith, the 4th grade teacher, finishes a lesson and gives the students 10 minutes to work on their assignment. Okay, that's kind of an unstructured time where students are expected to work independently. B, what specifically did the person say or do or say? So, for example, Johnny got up and started sharpening his pencil and all the pencils of his classmates so that they did not have pencils, or maybe he had an outburst, or whatever the scenario may be. Maybe the student you're observing had a behavior that occurred during that time. C, consequence. What happened as a result of the behavior? For example, if Susie or Johnny or whoever your student is had an outburst, what was the result? Did the teacher allow them to leave the classroom? Did the teacher send them to the principal's office? What did your teacher do or that teacher do? And so the point is to see what happened that caused the behavior and what is the result. So having a cause, a behavior, and a result, then the goal is to document these date and time, and to analyze, are they happening at the same time? Are they happening only during structured or unstructured times? Are they happening only in music class? All the things, the point is to observe and find commonalities between these different occurrences. That's it. That is what taking data for an FBA looks like. Later, we take this FBA and the notes we've taken and we create the behavior intervention plan. So first, FBA data collection, then it later turns into a behavior intervention plan. Super simple. You can even use this for your data collection if that is helpful. If you have another format that you like or that your school uses or that has been recommended for you to use by the teacher you're working with, that is okay too. The point is just to understand that there is an A, a B, and a C to every behavior. And if you're understanding that, then you're getting the point of how to take accurate data on students. I hope this helps. I just wanted to give you a quick and easy way to help get your data collection. Feel free to use this. Again, I will share the link with you. And also feel free to use a specific sheet if it's been given to you by the school you're working with or a teacher that you're working with or something similar to that. Thank you, friends. I'm so proud of you. Please let me know if you have any questions.